Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So we're picking it up right where I left off last time, which was organizing my house. And as you can see, if you're paying attention, I put my curtains up. Actually, my dad helped me put my curtains up in the house. I couldn't be happier. The only thing is that I have one window, which I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do with it. If I'm going to add a curtain or just leave it as it is. Let me know what you guys think. Let me show you. So right here is my living room. So these are the curtains I chose for my living room area. And I chose the same color for the dining room area right over there. Now my problem is this window. What do I do here? Do I add curtains or should I just leave it as it is? So yeah, those are the tiny changes that I've made to my house so far. I am working super slow. I don't know. When I first moved into my house, I was in this rush of getting everything done and just going out and shopping. And then I got really tired and stressed out. And I was like, you know what? I just need to relax, take it easy, one project at a time, because it's impossible to go shopping for the entire house. So I decided to work on one project at a time. So for now, we're working on the living room, dining room area and just trying to get all this situated and be happy with it. And then after that, we're going to move into the entrance of our house, the hallway, the entrance. We have so many cool ideas for that. I can't wait. I'm so excited for that. Then after that, we should move into our master bedroom, which we haven't yet. We're still sleeping in the guest bedroom and it works. So I'm happy that way. I'm just doing one project at a time, taking it easy, and just know exactly what I want for each room. So yeah, actually I need to be focused more than anything on my YouTube room because it's such a mess right now. I don't even want to show you. Should I show you? It's such a mess. It's really a mess. Next time. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing step by step. So for today, it's already 3 p.m. So Muhammad and I are going to this pizza shop that opened up near where we live. I don't know if you guys know, but Muhammad is a vegan for the moment. So he'll go into 2-3 months of just being vegan and eating clean. And then whenever he's happy with his weight or how he's looking, then he'll have like a steak or chicken here and there. Not like a lot, but in moderation. So for now, he's strictly vegan. That's all he eats. And I am eating more plant-based just because I don't like bringing chicken here. I don't like bringing meats here because I know he'll like be tempted to eat it. So I try to support him and also eat plant-based foods, which I love. I feel so much healthier anyways eating plant-based food. You know, I'm not a vegan. I'll be a vegetarian for him, but not a vegan. It's too strict. I did it once and although it worked amazing and I felt so good and so healthy, it was a struggle going out and figuring out what to eat, especially when we travel. That was like a big no-no. So when we travel, we have no rules. We're going to enjoy whatever we want, eat whatever we want, because who knows when we'll be back in that country. So that's our exception. When we travel, we have fun and eat whatever we want. But when we're back home, we try to just control the stuff that we feed our bodies. So yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment. So as I was saying, they opened up a Blaze Pizza near where we live, and it's really cool because they offer vegan options, which means that they have vegan dough, vegan sauce, vegan cheese, obviously vegetables, which Muhammad can eat. So we're going to try it out and hopefully it's good. And afterwards, we're gonna go to Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross. Oh, yeah, that's the plan, Mo. I didn't tell him. But yeah, we're gonna stop there because I want to buy these acrylic boxes that go inside the fridge to organize the fridge. What? I showed you the photo, you liked it.
Okay, I like the picture. So if I show you a picture of Kansas, does that mean we're going to Kansas? No.
I want to organize our fridge.
You said Marshalls.
Okay, Marshalls. Like if we find everything in Marshalls, we don't have to make a stop at Home Goods and Ross, okay? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that. I need to organize my fridge. I'm all about organization at the moment. I organized my pantry. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. All right, so I'm gonna go change. I'm still in my pajamas. Yeah.
Omaya, what are you doing?
So, this is what I want to get to put inside of our fridge to
Okay.
organize everything, so we can put like fruits inside of these to put it in the fridge.
Okay.
See? You put your
Oh, yeah. Is this all the stuff you're taking?
yeah.
Oh.
So we just got back from Target. We went grocery shopping after Marshall's. And I attempted to vlog. I just don't know if the footage will make it to this vlog because there was just a ton of people and the music was playing really loud. I couldn't even hear myself. So I doubt that that footage will make it to the vlog, although I showed you guys everything I purchased, but it's okay. I was hoping to organize my fridge tonight, but I'm really tired and I want to go take a shower so badly. So I'm thinking tomorrow morning I will show you guys how I organize my fridge, and I'm so excited to use those acrylic boxes. I have a couple that I already purchased from like early this year, but I needed a few more. So I think this time around it will look really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower and see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so I woke up super early today, made myself some breakfast, celery juice as well, hung out for a little bit, edited a couple of videos, and now I am finally getting around to organizing my fridge. And no joke, I've been looking forward to organizing my fridge for the longest time. Like, I don't know, it's something about organizing that makes me so happy. It makes things a lot easier. So with that being said, let's just get started and let me show you guys what I'm putting inside of my fridge. Alright guys, so I've emptied my fridge and displayed all the fruits and veggies on the countertop, as you can see. These are the acrylic boxes that I purchased at Marshall's for storage. Done, alhamdulillah. It only took me like an hour and a half, but it's worth it. Actually, I wanted to show you guys this tofu we just bought. Hopefully it's good. It has really good reviews. And the other thing we're super in love with is this mayo, fake mayo. It's called Veganese. I kid you not, it tastes just like regular mayo. It's just much healthier. I suggest it. I'm just going to chill and wait until Mo gets back from work. Just going to relax and probably
clean up a little bit.
Hey guys, so Mo is back from work and we're getting ready to set up the console table. So as I was telling you, I'm thinking about setting it up right over here, which is behind this couch. It's a big empty space that leads to the master bedroom. That was really heavy. I tried.
You need to try it.
I swear I attempted to. There we go.
Oh my god. Bro, it's like a mummy's about to fall.
No mommy's coming out, Mo. The table.
أحق خليك أنا حق ما تقلقش. There you go. Oh my god.
Did you pray?
Yeah, pray. Okay. Oh. So this right here.
Uh-huh. There we go. Look at all this mess. Ugh. I love the way that it turned out. Like, it's really nice and it fits the space really good. Obviously I just need to add something to the wall, but so far I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
All right, so what are we about to do now?
So the plan was to go to the gym, then to go to my parents' house. It's 7 right now, so
we still have time.
Yeah, we just gotta figure out what we're gonna do.
So let's just change, go to the gym, and then go to your parents' house.
We can do that.
Hey guys, we just got back from my in-laws' house. And prior to that, we were at the gym. We worked out legs tonight and it was intense. Oh my God, I know tomorrow I'm going to be so sore. I have a love-hate relationship with the gym. Like, I love going there because I feel better about myself, but just getting there that I hate. Like the whole getting up, getting dressed, driving there, the whole thing. I'm just like, ugh, why am I even putting myself through this? But once I'm there, I'm so happy and so accomplished that I did something other than staying at home. You know what I mean? But yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you guys what I wore to the gym because I got a lot of questions on my Instagram about my outfit. So this jacket is from Forever 21. I love the color and I got it in a size large just because I love big tops. The shirt is from Forever 21 as well. It's really long. And it's also long sleeve. So I was thinking about filming a modest workout clothes lookbook. If you guys are interested in that, let me know on the comment section below and I will do it soon, inshallah. And yeah, that's all for tonight. I think I'm just going to end my vlog now. Tomorrow I'll be filming a new video. So I'm thinking on Wednesdays I will upload my vlogs and then on Fridays I'm going to upload my main videos. A makeup tutorial, a hijab tutorial, ready with me, like a main video, you know. Then just expect 2 videos from me every week, inshallah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so, so much. I need to hit the shower and then just relax, edit my video so I can upload it in time for you guys. Love you guys. See you next time.